Let me explain to you why your diets never work. Okay. This is why you always yo-yo diet, why you lose weight and then gain it back, and then lose weight and then gain it back, or why you can never stick to your diet for the long term. This is why. Because you're choosing to eat less and you're not choosing to actually eat better and change your lifestyle. You don't have to eat less to lose weight. You have to eat better, okay? I lost over 65 pounds, okay, closer to 70 pounds. And I actually eat more than I did when I was fat. I eat more volume. I'm able to eat more volume because I changed my lifestyle for the better. I don't eat the same garbage food, the same fake food, okay? The fake food out here is the food that is high in sugar, high in starch, that is literally making people sick and making people fat and making people have diabetes. These foods are not good for you, even in moderation. They're lying. You cannot, a lot of people that are struggling with their weight right now are struggling with their weight because they think they can eat these things in moderation. Your body is, listen, your body is literally depending on these foods. Your body has an addiction to these foods. Okay. And it's the same thing like a drug addict. Your body has an addiction to these foods where you can't just have it in moderation. A lot of people cannot just have these foods in moderation. If you're someone that needs help with getting off of this addictive cycle of eating these junk foods and feeling powerless to these junk foods, my ebook is linked down below and it'll teach you step by step how I was able to lose the weight. Okay, it's over 65 pages, very thorough information that has helped me lose a lot of weight and has helped countless others. I also have a meal plan and one-on-one coaching, so definitely check that out, guys. But like I was saying, stop letting people tell you, oh, you just need to eat less and move more and you'll lose weight. You might lose a couple pounds, but that's not going to be what sustains you when you're trying to lose weight. You need to actually change your lifestyle for the better. And it's not as hard as you think it is. I know, like, a lot of us don't want to have to eat healthy and eat vegetables, and we want to be able to, like, just have our junk food, but just have a little bit and still lose weight. But that is what's keeping you fat, because it's not actually sustaining you. You're still hungry. And then that's why you're having all these cravings, because when you're counting your calories, but you're not changing your lifestyle, you're not changing your eating habits, that's why you are yo-yo dieting. That is why you lose weight and you gain it back. I'm teaching you how to completely get rid of your addiction and craving for these foods altogether. Okay? I would rather you never touch these foods again and no longer have an addiction to them, and these foods no longer having power over your life, rather than you trying to fight for your life every single day to fight against the cravings. Okay? Would you rather have no cravings at all, or would you rather have to fight against cravings every single day? Keep everything in moderation every single day. I don't have to eat anything in moderation. Why? Because I only eat real food. I only eat healthy food. So I can eat as much as I want. And that is the feeling that I want everyone to have, because, like, on the inside, I'm still a fat girl. Like, I still love to eat. You get what I'm saying? So it sucks to have to, like, keep it in moderation and only eat a little bit, when if I stick to eating healthy food that tastes good, okay? These foods actually can taste very good. I literally posted a pizza recipe. I eat pizza. I eat cupcakes. I eat cake. I eat a bunch of delicious things, but just keto versions. If you guys want more meal ideas, I do have a meal plan linked down below. But just keto versions. Just switch out the sugar for an alternative sweetener. Switch out the flour for an almond flour. Make it at home. And it's just as good, but it's so much better for you. And you can have as much as you want without feeling like you have to deprive yourself. And that is the best feeling in the world. That's the feeling that I want for everyone. Because I know a lot of us, we just like to eat, okay? I love to eat. I suffer from obesity since I was 5 years old. I love to eat. And this is the best lifestyle. This is the best eating lifestyle that I've ever had, because I get to eat as much as I want. The food tastes delicious. I don't have cravings. I don't feel powerless to the food. And I still get to have the body that I want. I still get to be healthy. I still get to feel good about myself. I don't have binges where I feel so low about myself like I used to before. And I want that for all of you guys. So don't feel like you have to eat less. Eat better. Change the food that you're eating, because the food that you're eating is more important than the calories. The food that you're eating is more important than the calories, because the food that you're eating has more of an impact on your metabolism. It has an impact. The food that you're eating is actually what's telling your body what to do. When you're eating sugar and carbs and garbage, you're telling your body to run off of that garbage. You're telling your body to run off of that sugar. And when you're running off of that sugar, you need more and more sugar as an energy source. When you eat healthy, when you eat real food, your body uses your body fat as an energy source. So you want to switch over and teach your body how to do that. And this is what I want to teach everyone, because this is the easiest and most sustainable way to lose weight. It's not hard. It's really not hard. There's so much misconceptions out there. There's so many misconceptions about the keto diet out there that, I want to clear up, because it's not unsustainable. It's not unsustainable. I'm able to eat everything that I was eating before. I just make a keto version. I'm able to eat pizza. Check out my pizza recipe. Okay. I'm able to eat pizza. I'm able to eat whatever I want, as much as I want. And I don't have to think about all these calories and, am I going to gain weight? Am I going to get bloated? Am I going to have cravings after? How am I going to keep it in moderation? How many calories? I don't have to think about any of that. And I still get to keep the body that I've always wanted. And I really, really hope that you guys can do the same thing. It's really not that hard, you guys. I really hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave them down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.